Hello guys, welcome back from my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about the creation of 90 degrees long radius. Fitting. Long radius means that radius is 1.5 multiplied by diameter. Please follow me step by step. For the important information I shown with red color boxes, we need to focus on those information to create the fitting. O will be equal with radius and OD is outer diameter. Let's start to create. First of all, draw a circle with radius 914 millimeters. Then offset 305 millimeters for left and right equally because OD is 610 millimeters. Then draw a line to form the 90 degree and trim the unnecessary portions. Then let's check the dimensions whether correct or not.